Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. So I'll just show you one of hello guys, I'll just show you one of the methods which is pretty much strange things here. I can show you right now. Give me 1 second. So if it is like so manipulating those string with the console log. So like if I do like anything like directory uh, in the shelf. Oh, it is like basically subtraction. So subscribe. So let's subscribe, and then because here comment is the comment. You can see comment is the hello guys. So so if it is comment and make it into substring and do into 7 comma 12, it could be definitely this way, like half. So it is pretty much obvious it would be half, correct? If you do this, so it is guys. Only this portion is the for the subscribe, right? Okay, let me clear it for you, and let me show you this. This is pretty much awesome. If it is subscribe, subscribe to is equal to comma comment, because comment is the thing dot. Uh, for example, a slice method. If I go with the slice method, can you see these are a lot of integration here. These are a lot of other 5 comma 10. For example, 5 comma 12. If you do this console dot log and subscribe to, okay. So if you do this one, and this is the last one, not before after guys. So you remember guys was the last one. So w guys, right now it is showing the w guys. So these are the numbers that can manipulate this as strings into different categories. Okay, so let me change it into not the hello guys, let me change it into Buffalo State University online method for 2024 concerning uh, concerning registration is closed. Okay, so this is just a statement, and now you do this, not this far, this far. Sorry about the background noise. That's my parents are fighting. Sorry about that. So can you see this? Uh, for this statement, it came only low state, low stat. So when you hacking something for ethical hackers, they basically manipulate the string statements for clients so that they contact with the companies or something like this. This is very strange things. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you so much.